Welcome back to Silverpunk. In today's video I'm going to be taking some scrap silver and making a miniature sword. I'm going to be mixing old and new techniques using a traditional sandcast and a 3D printer to make the mould. Sorry about that, I couldn't resist. It's getting a bit late. I've just took my eldest daughter to bed, who's 7, and she's really excited because it's the school holidays, so she can stay up late. And it got me thinking, like, what did I used to do when I was a kid? And the main thing, when I was a little bit older, when I was like 11, 12, it used to be computer games. I just love computer games. I'm an only child, so I never had no brothers and sisters, so when I used to come in from playing, I was pretty much on my own. And I used to just love playing on my computer. And I remember my very first computer was an Amstrad, and it had a green screen. Believe it or believe it not, it came with a green screen. And you had cassettes. All the computer games were on cassettes, and it used to take absolutely ages to load. So it'd be one of those, you get home from school, put the cassette in, start it to load, and by the time you've had your dinner it was loaded. But then you probably got about 10 minutes before you had to go to bed. But some of you, if you look in what I'm creating today, this is a sword. Now this sword is actually from the Legend of Zelda games, from the Breath of the Wild. It's the Master Sword, and it's a legendary sword that you have to go and find in the game, and obviously it gives you a lot better hit power and that type of thing. But going back, the reason why I'm doing this is I can remember playing the first game, the Legend of Zelda, on the NES, on the Nintendo, and it just opened up another world for me. I could just immerse myself and get lost in it, and I think that's really important. And it's something that as I've got older, I've lost. I don't game no more. I don't have that. It's adulting, isn't it? You're in the real world, and I think it's such a shame. I think you do need some escapism. Well, I can remember playing the game, and what sticks out in my memory, the cartridge it come on for the Nintendo, it was actually gold. It was really shiny gold with a sticker on it. It looked absolutely fabulous. And the game itself, it was just a brilliant game. It was basically one of the very first role-playing games, like an open world environment. You could go and do the quests and find the different bits and pieces, different bits of armour, swords, and to say it was just a fantasy, and it was lovely just to get away and as a kid just to go and escape it all. And it's something I miss as an adult, if I'm honest. But you know, I suppose it's getting older, it happens to all of us, and you've got to take responsibility. And yeah, so I just hope my daughter has that time to play, and she'll get into stuff and has the same experience before she gets a lot older. Anyway, on to the pool. if you've liked this little silver pour, check this one out up here. It's another cool piece of silver.